Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove GCash from Spotify. In this quick tutorial, let's go over on how to remove GCash from your Spotify subscription. First, open Spotify and go to your profile in top left corner. Then navigate to Settings and Privacy. From there, access your account and select your plan to see your current subscription. If GCash is your payment method, you can cancel it directly through Spotify or via the GCash app. If you originally linked Spotify to your Google Play Store instead, open the Play Store, tap your account in the top right, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions, and locate Spotify. From there, you can cancel the subscription connected to GCash. This ensures your GCash account is fully disconnected from Spotify payments in a few simple steps. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.